What's up, guys? It's the last day, teal season 2K19. Gotta do a little something different. I don't know what's going on with the dam and the powerhouse, but they've been sucking this water down super low. So we're gonna sit up in this grass today. Gonna hide the boat around the corner and see what happens. We're hunting in a different spot, somewhere we hadn't hunted all season, because the place we wanted to go is slam full of people. So try to get away from that, try to get away from everybody. Maybe we can get away from some pressured birds. Maybe we can get on some different birds. Maybe they ain't been fooled with too much. Who knows? But I think it's us and 2 other boats in this area, so maybe we'll have a pretty good hunt. But either way, we're going to be out here and we're going to give it a shot. Can't kill them at the house. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Woodies. I believe this way we'll see when they come back. That's Teal. Yeah, shoot him. Alright, we got the spread out in the shallow hole. We got 2, so we're on the board. Our old buddies, our sponsorship folks over there, Tim's Calls, they set up over there on the other side of the flat. Heard them do a little shooting. Hopefully they on the board too. But I got a special guest with me today. I got Wild Man. What do you think, Wild Man? Show us what you got. What you got there?
2 teal.
What?
2 teal.
2 teal. Right, they on the board. We had to kind of improvise today. So yeah, we had to improvise today. We could not locate Cason's life jacket, so he's wearing his
new floaties.
What?
New floaties.
He's wearing his new floaties. But hey, he's safe, so we're good. But we're gonna sit here and see if we can scratch out a few more blue wings. Y'all stay tuned. Don't move, Cason. Don't move. Let him pass. Let him pass. They're gonna come back. Wait. 5. One just crashed over there.
Daddy, that was so loud.
Trying to shoot right top of his head off. Do it! Well, we got what, 7K?
Yeah.
7 so far. Had a big group come in. You saw it. Got 5 out of that group. Finally just got them all picked up. It's about 7:35. We're gonna hunt for about another 25, 30 more minutes. We're gonna pack it on up, but so far it's going so good. Oh, Sim's teal call, baby. Y'all better get you one. This is what you put on your strap. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. Teal season 2K19 has come and gone. Last morning we had a pretty good little shoot. We got 7 and pretty good tote. Another good shoot. We had another good shoot earlier this week. Had another one this morning. That's the way I like to do it. Go out with a bang. Look, if y'all are new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Reach over there, click that bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. Don't forget to like this video, guys. We got lots of things coming up between now and big duck season. We got some pattern testing, blind building, some how-to things. We got a lot of stuff coming. You don't want to miss out, I promise. But guys, till next time, y'all bust them up, and we're gonna get together with Sim's calls here shortly. If we don't see them on the water, we'll meet back up with them at the landing, see how they did, and might let y'all in on that. If we can get some footage on it, we'll see. They might be camera shy, who knows? But we'll see. But either way, guys, y'all bust them up. All right, guys, what's up? We're back here at the landing. Told you we was gonna meet back up with Team Sim's calls. Here they are. They had a pretty good morning. They got 2, but hey, that's better than 0. We got our pretty good tote. We got lucky. We had a big group come by. I don't know how y'all missed it. They flew right by.
I don't know how we missed it.
We didn't see them. They had to fly over the top.
It happens, though. Hey, it's hunting. But we had a good time. Y'all need to get you one of these seals calls. Look here. You see this? This is what you will get if you go get that call. It's been all over the southeast. They are killing ducks like crazy with that teal call. You got to get it. Early teal season's over, but hey, big duck season's coming. Green wing come to it too. You got to get this call. I'm telling you. But until next time, boys, y'all bust them up.